Who can help you achieve business success? At ATN Partnership, we help our clients set their ideas into motion. We do this by helping clients focus on what's important to them and pay the right amount of tax. We also help clients capitalize on opportunities and overcome challenges. Providing expert, friendly, and honest advice to help businesses grow is what separates us from our competition. Contact us to learn how we work in partnership with our clients to help them stay on track for business success. ATN Partnership, helping you achieve.